remember in our numeracy class, I asked you to draw the clock in your house. Did you draw it? Now we're just going to be talking about the time. We use the clocks to check time, to know what the time is. But our focus will be telling the time on the hour. So before then, I'm going to tell you the parts of the clock so that you know which hand tells what. I'm going to draw some hands. I'm sure your clocks have some hands in them. These things in the clock, they are called hands. There's a short one like this, and then there's another one like this. There's a bit long, and some clocks have 3 hands. There's the one that is quite tiny, but it's very long. It's tiny and long. Now this tiny one here, let me start with it. This one is called the second hand. The second hand. And then this one is called the minute hand. Minute hand. And then this one is called the hour hand. Hour hand. Now this hour hand is the one that tells us the time. The hour hand tells us the time. Let me draw a clock to show you. So I'm going to make a face clock. Now this is my clock. I'm going to write some numbers. It has to be 1 to 12. I have my 12 here. I have 6 here, and I'm going to write 3 here, and I'm going to write 9 here. I'm going to make a dot here, and I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, this long hand, you can see it, is my minute hand. It's always on 12 to tell you the exact time. Now, you always look at where's the short hand facing. Where the short hand is facing is the time. So, if your short hand is pointing at 3, that means it's what? 3 o'clock. If the short hand, you have to keep looking at where's my short hand facing. If it's facing 2, it's 2 o'clock. And then if the short hand is facing 1, that means it's 1 o'clock. Let me show you something. Now, how many of you like my clock? You like it? Alright, look at this, my clock. This one is the long hand, which is the minute hand. And this one is the hour hand. Is that okay? That's the hour hand. Now, if I turn this minute hand, what time is it? Look this way, look this way. Can you see here? What time is it? It is pointing at 6. That means it's 6 o'clock. Now, you see, I didn't touch this one. This one doesn't have to move. After it has to go round and round and round and round and round and come back to 12. But then this one moves again to here. Can you see here? What time is it showing? 8 o'clock. Easy peasy. So always check, where's the long hand? Is the long hand on 12? Yes. So where's the short hand pointing at? Where the short hand is pointing at is your time. So I have some activities for you to do for me. You're just going to check it and just write the time for me. Is that okay? So bye.